Hello students, this is Rakesh Misra. I am going to describe you the 11th Biology chapter 5 Morphology of flowering plants, and in this video section I will describe you the special types of inflorescence. As you all know, there are so many types of inflorescence discussed in previous video lecture. Among them the solitary, cymose, racemose are over. In this video lecture I will describe you the fourth type of inflorescence, that is special type of inflorescence. Special inflorescence. What are inflorescence? In each video I will try to explain you the term of inflorescence. Actually, flowers are so many positions over the plants, and the number of flowers are actually varied among the variety to variety. It means the flowers on plants may be countable or incountable, or the flowers on plants may have the special or normal type of modification. In this video section I will describe you what are the special type of modification of plants. Now let us check which kinds of special modification of inflorescence I will going to talk about. The first type of inflorescence is hypanthodium. Hypanthodium type of inflorescence. Second type of inflorescence are Cyathium type of inflorescence, and third type of inflorescence are Verticillaster. So these three types of inflorescence are in your syllabus. There are so many other special type of inflorescence available, but Hypanthodium, Cyathium and Verticillaster are only in your syllabus. So you need to focus on these three. Now one by one I will describe you the Hypanthodium, Cyathium and Verticillaster. Now back to the Hypanthodium type of inflorescence. Actually, as you all know, the common flower has the thalamus, the calyx, corolla, the ovary, stigma, style, etc. anther, etc. This part is known as receptacle or thalamus. In Hypanthodium type of inflorescence, the cup shape Hypanthodium become too big. It become too big to occupy a bigger area of other floral parts. This can be occupy the bigger area of other floral parts. This is the fleshy thalamus. Fleshy cup shape thalamus. And other floral parts like male and female reproductive system are actually packed in the center of the cup shape thalamus. This is the pedicel of flower. This is the fleshy cup shape thalamus, and this area are actually seized. It means no insect can enter inside the cup shape fleshy thalamus. So what actually held in the cup shape thalamus? Listen carefully. The male and female flowers are held at the center part of cup shape thalamus. So let us try to draw the male and female parts of flower at the central parts of cup shape Hypanthodium. So this one is the male and female parts of flower. And apart from male and female flower, there are some other special type of flower that are actually called as gall flower, held in the center of cup shape thalamus. So what are the special types of flower held in the center of cup shape thalamus? The three type of flower. First is the male flower that consists anther. Second is the female flower that consists stigma, style, ovary, etc. And third type of flower is the gall flower. Gall flower. Listen, एग्जाम्पल में बता दो इसको. हाइपेंथोडियम के एग्जाम्पल जितने भी फाइकस फैमिली के प्लांट्स हैं, फाइकस फैमिली के जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं? हाइपेंथोडियम टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस वाले होते हैं। कौन कौन फाइकस फैमिली का है? आपने देखा होगा जो गूलर का पेड़ होता है, फिग जिसको बोलते हैं, अंजीर, फिग। इसके अलावा बनियन का, बरगद जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है, पीपल का, ये सब के फ्लावर्स जो है हाइपेंथोडियम टाइप होते हैं। इसको आप ओपन करोगे गूलर का, तो इसके सेंटर में आपको, फ्लावर के सेंटर में क्या मिलेंगे? कुछ इंसेक्ट्स मिलेंगे। यहां पे कुछ इंसेक्ट्स मिलेंगे। इंसेक्ट आप बाहर से देखेंगे तो ये कहीं से भी होल नहीं दिखेगा, बट इसके सेंटर में आपको इंसेक्ट इसलिए दिखेंगे कि जब ये फ्लावर बन रहा होता है तो ये ऑलरेडी इसी में पैक हो जाते हैं शुरुआत के स्टेज में। और ये ऐसा इसलिए होता है कि जब ये ओपन ही रहते हैं तभी ये इंसेक्ट की मदर इसमें ले अपना अंडा, एग ले कर देती है, अंडा दे देती है, जिससे ये बाद में इंसेक्ट बनते हैं। और इसी में ये घूमते रहते हैं, जिससे मेल फ्लावर का एंथर और एंथर का पॉलन ग्रेन फीमेल फ्लावर की स्टिग्मा पे चिपक जाता है और इसके अंदर ही अंदर फर्टिलाइजेशन देता रहता है। मतलब क्या, एक तरह का ये म्यूचुअलिज्म, म्यूचुअल बिहेवियर शो करते हैं कि फ्लावर्स इनको फूड प्रोवाइड करता है और ये फ्लावर्स को उल्टा क्या करते हैं? फर्टिलाइजेशन और पॉलिनेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स ओवर द फिग प्लांट्स, एंड इट विल in next class, that is in class 12, it will discuss. But keep in mind, this is very important flower for the mutualism, for to understand the behavior of mutualism. Keep in mind. So flowers of hypethodium type of inflorescence you cannot see. Flowers यानी गूलर के फ्लावर को आप देख नहीं सकते, because they are packed inside the fruit. These are actually not a fruit, these are the fleshy cup-shaped thalamus that cover almost all different flowers. So flowers इसी के अंदर पैक हो जाते हैं, इसको दिखाई नहीं देते हैं, और इसी के अंदर मेल और फीमेल सब कुछ रहता है, और इसी में इंसेक्ट जो इसको फर्टिलाइजेशन करता रहता है, पॉलिनेशन वगैरह कर देते हैं। ठीक है, आई होप योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिगार्डिंग द हाइपेंथोडियम इज ओवर. If you want to any other type of question, if you want to ask any type of question, then you make a comment you make your question over the comment box, then I will try to explain your doubt. Now back to the Cyathium type of inflorescence. Now Cyathium type of inflorescence, listen, when the sepals and petals, write down, when the sepals and petals, when the sepals and petals form a cup shaped structure, form a cup shaped structure in which anther and stigma are placed. The condition is known as Cyathium. यानी इसमें क्या होता है, ऐसे कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर बना लेते हैं। ये जो सेपल्स और पेटल्स है ऐसे कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर आपस में जुड़ करके बना लेते हैं, और इसी में जो है एंथर्स और स्टिग्मा प्लेस्ड हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज साइएथियम. कीप इन माइंड, इसको प्लांट से अगर कनेक्ट कर देते हैं तो इसको ये इस तरह से दिखेगा, ये उसके लीव्स हो गए, ठीक है, ये उसके लीव्स हो गए, तो ये प्लांट्स का एक स्पेशल टाइप स्ट्रक्चर। इसको आप मैग्नीफाइंग करेंगे तो यहाँ पे ये इस तरह से दिखेंगे। इस डायग्राम को आप बना लीजिएगा। ये इसका स्टिग्मा है और बाकी ये सब क्या है, एंथर है। ठीक है, और ये इसका क्या है, कप शेप, साइयत बोलते हैं, साइएथियम। ठीक है, तो इसका लेबलिंग कर लीजिए, बना लीजिए। दिस इज द फ्लावर, दिस इज द स्टिग्मा, एंड दिस वन इज द एंथर, and this is actually called as nectiferous gland. Nectiferous gland. This is the vertical section of the Cyathium. So this kinds of flower are actually form a cup shape structure. Cup shape structure is the characteristics of Cyathium, and this is actually the sepals and petals when fused to form the cup shape structure. If you have any doubt, you can make your question over the comments. Later I will try to explain you. but the basic example of Cyathium is the family Euphorbiaceae. You should write the example of Cyathium is family Euphorbiaceae. Family Euphorbiaceae. And in this family the आंवला खाते हैं, Euphorbia. These are some very important group of family in which Cyathium is characterized. This is very important regarding the competitive examination as well as the NEET examination. Now let us try to explain the verticilluster type inflorescence. Now the verticilluster type inflorescence. Listen carefully. When the cluster of flower, when the cluster of flowers held at the node of plants, when the cluster of flowers are held at the node of plants, the condition is known as verticilluster type inflorescence. Suppose that this is the plant's body, this is the node of plants, and in between the two nodes the portion is known as internodes. Then in this case, in case of verticilluster inflorescence, at each node there are flowers, cluster of flowers are available at each node. This is the common of verticilluster, all kinds of verticilluster flower, and this is the different kinds of flowers. You can make it cluster of flowers. You can also see the leaves of flowers. These are the leaves of flowers. So these types of flowers you can see in family Ocimum family. Ocimum family, that is family Labiaceae, or it is also known as Lamiaceae. So Ocimum is the family, that is common family in which Ocimum sanctums, plants belong. Ocimum sanctum, it is the common name of the biological name of Tulsi. So Ocimum sanctum belong to family Lamiaceae or Labiaceae or Lamiaceae. Other plants belong to Lamiaceae is Salvia. I hope your example, definition and diagram is clear. This is the different morphological flower. This is the different morphological flowers. This is the node, this is the internode. Leaves, I hope you can draw it according to the book or according to the whiteboard. In next video lecture, I will describe you the different morphological flowers and different parts of flowers and their morphology. Thank you.